Magandang araw mga kapolitika at welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. In this video is panunuorin po natin itong pa-live ni Sir Nawat kasi sumagot na po siya dito sa mga issue at kontrobersya na ibinabato sa kanya ng National Director ng Miss Grand Myanmar kung bakit sila nag-back out. Bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. So finally, isinagot na nga po ni Sir Nawat itong mga issue na ibinabato sa kanya at inaakusa ng National Director ng Miss Grand Myanmar. At ang sabi niya nga doon sa kanyang pa-live ay sino ba siya para tatanggap ng $25,000 lang. Kasi yun nga ang kiniklaim nitong National Director ng Miss Grand Myanmar na para doon nila makuha itong corona ay magbabayad daw ng $25,000. So ito yung kiniklaim ng kanilang director. So ang sabi dito ni Sir Nawat is wala pong katotohanan itong mga akusasyon laban sa kanya. So dito mga kapolitika is nabanggit niya rin na marami daw siyang baho na nalalaman dito sa National Director ng kanilang bansa. So anytime ay pwede niya itong isiwalat kung hindi talaga tumigil sa paninira laban sa kanya. And on top of that mga kapolitika is atin po palang pag-usapan itong naging pahayag niya dito kay CJ Opiasa kasi hinangaan niya daw itong personalidad ng ating pambato. And in fact sabi niya nga doon dito sa kanyang pa-live ay doon daw sa closed door interview is meron na siyang clue. Okay, meron na siyang napipinpoint na mga kandidata na kung saan is maaring maging final two at mag-aagawan sa corona or yung tinatawag na front runner. So ang sinasabi niya doon ay itong si CJ Opiasa nga, itong pambato ng ating bansa, at the same time si Miss India. So sila daw yung dalawa na nakikita niya talagang magsumpaki dito sa finals, which is yun nga ang nangyari kasi ang sinasabi niya dito, ang hinangaan niya kay CJ is itong kanyang personalidad at the same time yung genuinity ng kanyang pagkatao.
Your national director always make a problem, you know. This is true story. Make a problem all the time. You can ask Nini. She very upset because of your national director try to do something about Nini. You know, I like the people who are clear and businessman. I don't want anyone do it live stream content promoting content. เอาจริงๆแล้วคนที่ใกล้มงมากๆมี2 คนหลังจากสัมภาษณ์เสร็จได้พักหนึ่งก็เหลือคนมง2 คนจริงๆที่เบียดกันอยู่ข้างบนสุดนั่นก็คืออินเดียและฟิลิปปินส์ CJ เป็นคนที่บุคลิกดี personality ดีและเป็นคนที่ถูกฝึกมาเป็น beauty queen สมแล้วที่เขาเปิดสถาบันเมื่อไรก็แล้วแต่ได้พูดคุยหรือได้พบปะเขาจะเป็นคนที่มีเสน่ห์มากขึ้นสำหรับ CJ ที่งามด้วยบุคลิกงามด้วย speech งามด้วย body language สวยด้วยสายตาที่มี eye contact ที่ดีตลอดเวลาและเป็น real.
Mga kapolitika, ano ang inyong masasabi dito sa naging pahayag ni Sir Nawat laban sa National Director ng Miss Grand Myanmar? Kayo ba ay naniniwala? At ano din ang inyong masasabi dito sa kanyang paghanga kay CJ Opiasa? Nakikita natin dito na siya ay totoong tao at magaling siyang kumilatis ng mga personalidad. Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.